Welcome to Nepal's beautiful Himalayas, one of the most breathtaking places on earth. If you're planning a trek in Nepal, you need to be well prepared with the right supplies, of course, but which supplies should you bring from home and which things are a better value in Nepal? Well, that's what we'll be exploring in today's video. Before we dive into the supplies, let's talk about the terrain, weather conditions, and hazards in the Himalayas. The terrain is known for its unpredictable weather, high altitudes, and rugged terrain. 1 in 5 trekkers experience high altitude sickness, so it's crucial to have the right gear to make your trek a successful and safe one. First of all, your first purchase, even before you leave home, should be travel insurance. And then when you get here, contract a professional trekking agency. You will often get a better price by just showing up at a few offices in Thamel than booking online. There must be 100 of them in Thamel. This will allow you to get to know your actual guide who will be accompanying you on the trek. After all, you'll be spending a lot of time with him, right? When it comes to your gear, first and foremost, you need a sturdy and comfortable backpack to carry all your supplies. Look for a backpack with good back support, adjustable straps, and multiple compartments for organizing your gear. You can either buy a genuine name brand like North Face products in Thamel at what seems like to be Western prices, or you can buy good quality fakes that are made locally. Next up, hiking boots. Your feet will be your best friend on this trek, so invest in a good pair of waterproof, ankle-supporting boots. Make sure to break them in before you trek to avoid blisters. If you have a large foot, size 44 or size 12 US, or larger, getting a pair of shoes, even here in Kathmandu, can be a problem. And speaking of shoes, if you think you'll be needing a new pair while you're here in Nepal, be sure to bring a pair of good arch supports. You can get some excellent values here in Kathmandu. Do you have a history of weak ankles or knees? You can purchase braces at many pharmacy, medical supply, and trekking supply stores here in Kathmandu for under $10. You can get an excellent pair of sunglasses with UV protection here for about $20, but be sure you buy them from an eyeglass store as opposed to the sunglass vendors on the street. They all have the UV protection sticker, but only the stores will have the quality you'll need. The sun is very strong in the Himalayas, so don't neglect your eyes. And speaking of the sun, be sure to pick up some sunscreen while you're here. They have many Western brands. Trekking can be very taxing on you, so you'll need all the calories you can get. The local grocery stores usually have a good supply of Western brands of chocolates, as well as a good selection of nuts and other snacks. A first aid kit is a must-have for any trek, but it's even more crucial in the Himalayas. Along with the basic items like bandages and antiseptic and painkillers, make sure to pack high-altitude sickness medication and any prescription medicines you may need. Garlic is a local remedy for high-altitude sickness, so be sure to bring some from the market in Kathmandu. Don't omit the medicine for the garlic, though. I'm not suggesting that. I'm suggesting you bring both. Now, let's talk about clothing. Layering is key when it comes to dressing for the Himalayas. Pack lightweight, moisture-wicking clothes for the day and warm, insulated layers for the night. A warm, waterproof jacket is also essential as the temperature can drop drastically at higher altitudes. You can find great values in fake Gore-Tex, fake down jackets and pants, trekking socks, down sleeping bags, and just about anything else you need. But I suggest you bring any electronic items, such as headlamps or solar chargers from home. You won't likely find a quality or good warranties if you buy them here. Sometimes cheap knockoffs are good, and sometimes you want to get the genuine product. Even though it might have the name of a Western manufacturer, you need to really examine it well. Copyright laws aren't always followed here. Staying hydrated is crucial while trekking in the Himalayas. Carry a reusable water bottle and make sure to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water a day. You can use water purification tablets, the straw, or an electric device, but be sure you use something. Some budget travelers bring tea from Kathmandu. A cup of tea can be as much as $3 at the higher elevations. It isn't unusual for food to have to be trekked up, so don't think you're getting cheated. The higher you go up, the more expensive everything becomes. A good quality sleeping bag is a must for a comfortable night's sleep. Look for a bag that can withstand minus 20-degree temperatures and is lightweight to carry. You can rent a sleeping bag for $1 or $2 a day. You can buy a sleeping bag liner for just about $5 in Thamel. If you want to buy a good sleeping bag or tent, you can find some excellent quality products here. You can check out the prices in Nepal by checking out one of the country's online marketplaces, such as daraz.com/NP. The Himalayas are a challenging yet rewarding trek. With these essential supplies, you'll be better equipped to conquer this majestic mountain range. Remember to also pack your sense of adventure and leave no trace behind. The government of Nepal is requiring trekkers to bring everything that they bring in with them out with them. So please help us keep the Himalayas beautiful. Another topic we need to address is money. How much money will you need? Know that you will not likely be able to take money out of an ATM while high up in the Himalayas. Even in Kathmandu, there are only a few ATMs that work for international debit cards, so be sure to take enough money with you. If you're enjoying our tips here and are planning a trip to Nepal, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button so our videos will come up on your feed. Otherwise, you might not be able to find us again. On our channel, we focus on tips that might be hard to find on other videos and websites. Our videos cover such topics as money and budgeting issues, how to handle medical issues, as well as things to see and do here.